Hello, this is Michael Dillon. This is the time in the video where you thumbs up, there's thumbs up, and subscribe and like. 2020 Porsche Panamera key, they've changed it a little bit from some of the other models. They used to have a key down here. In this area was a spare key. Now the spare key is right here. I've seen some people where they take the key and they force this open, and I just like to use my thumbnail. It's a little frustrating. Or a nylon tool. I don't like to use metal on plastic, especially on the outside surface. Now here's your spare key. Don't look at that, because then you'll see how to cut it, and then you'll break in. Then all you do is you take right in here. You see there's a couple of tabs down here. Don't get distracted by those tabs. To get into it, you have to, see if I can shine, right in the back side there's a little void, and it's way back here. Put your screwdriver back there and put your screwdriver right back there in that little void, and then apply pressure and watch what happens. See that? It just opens up. Once that opens up, it pops off. Same thing on this side. Again, it is the void right here. So I'm going to put the screwdriver in there, pop it on the back, and it just pops off. It's not a lot of pressure, it's a little bit of finesse. So there we go. And then look at these marred marks. This is from the guy at the auto parts store that just totally scratched and hacked this up with metal because he was trying to pry it. Honey, that's what I'm talking about. So what you do is you're supposed to read the instructions. There's Alberto, which is Spanish for open, and then there's English for open. The ironic part is this is a German car made for America, and they put it in English, not in Spanish, which I wonder what that says. Now we gotta find the battery. The battery fairy took it, and the battery fairy brings it back. So I don't know about your house, but in my house, it's not my house. And if I set something down, there's a fairy that will move it. Now the fairy might only move it 2 feet, but the point is the fairy moves it, and then I cannot find it. So I think it's job security for the fairy. So you just put the battery in there, and you make sure you slide this little open thing like that, because just so you can see what it looks like, the key slides in there. That's what it looks like without the case off. So then you get the dust out of there. Then you take this little key fob side, and right here, those 2 little tabs, you just go like this and slide them in right. So I'm holding down tight with these 2 fingers right here at the back end, and then right here, click. That's it. So I'll do the same thing. I'll turn it over, and I'm gonna, upside down. And I'm gonna put it tight. Oh, sorry, out of frame there. So I'm gonna just put it right here, and I'm gonna make sure that it's lined up to go in that hole. I'm gonna hold it tight here, and then I'm gonna just pinch that. And that's it. That's how you change your key fob in a 2021. This will make the customer very happy. Oh, and then click. That's all there is to it. Now you press the lock button, and you'll see how nice and bright and shiny. And when you press the lock button, it flashes twice. When you press the unlock button, it flashes twice. When you press the trunk, it flashes twice. So that's how you know your key fob's working, because it just flashes twice to acknowledge you pressed the button. Thanks, appreciate the comments, like, subscribes. There's 2 little thumbs up, and over and out. Michael Dillon, Santa Monica Mike, signing off.